howdy everybody. Welcome to another edition of That's Dave's Others Doings. We got the official 2024 Norfolk Southern calendar. We're going to go over that today. And we got to get rid of Freddie here. Don't know if he'll get involved. He always wants to get involved in everything. About this, I have a good friend, Matt. That's not Matt, that's Freddie. Anyway, Matt is not a railroader, but he does professional photography on the side. That is Matt right there. And he submitted a photo. That's my friend Matt. And he submitted a photo to Norfolk Southern. And this was his photo, and it is absolutely beautiful. Anyway, he won a contest, and they selected his picture for their calendar, and they put it on the December 2023 page. That is beautiful. That picture is taken in Pittsburgh in West Park, and that area was built, that track through there was built by the Pennsylvania Railroad. I do not know what year though, but that is called the Trench. This is the Trench. That's what it's called. And if you see, that's got the Operation Lifesaver locomotive on it. 4659. Pretty neat, isn't it? Anyway, we're going to go through this calendar here. Here's for the January 2024. I'm not going to show you everybody that did these pictures. This is a big calendar. Anyway, Matt sent me some calendars. So, that was nice of him. And this guy is a track supervisor, actually, that took that picture. This is February. Isn't that nice? April. That's pretty cool. It's got to be an old tunnel. And that is the Lookout Mountain Tunnel in Chattanooga. It's May. Uh-oh. Nice. July. That's August. And September. October. It's beautiful, isn't it? November. Okay. Very good. December. All right. Norfolk Southern used to give these calendars away to all their employees, and I heard the last few years that they are selling them to their employees. At least that's what a Norfolk Southern engineer told me. Anyway, he collected all of them that they gave him, and I'm going to send him one. He's a friend of mine down in Georgia, or Alabama, I'm sorry, and I'm going to send you one of these. He said he didn't buy the one that they sold. This is a map of their tracks. We got quite a few tracks. And let's see, Pittsburgh, we're right down in here. Yeah, there's Pittsburgh, and we're right down in here. Right there. Okay. Here in southwestern Pennsylvania. Alrighty. I didn't realize they took the tracks all the way down to Miami and New Orleans and to Dallas. How about that? I'm learning some new things. You know, the Pennsylvania Railroad went all the way over to St. Louis. And of course, a good bit of the Pennsylvania Railroad went to Norfolk Southern. Anyway, okay. Hope you enjoyed the calendar 2024 Norfolk Southern calendar. Have a really good day. I put up a calendar video of the 2024 Cranemasters calendar. So if you want to watch that, you haven't seen it yet, the link for that video is in the description. Obviously, that is my favorite picture of them all. Matt's a good guy. Okay, very good. Thank you again. And have a really good day.